Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in essentials so you can act fast. Identify one primary customer persona and their top 3 pain points. This guides every message. Once done, pick a single goal, leads, sales, or awareness, and set the KPI you'll track. Make a minimal asset bundle, logo, one landing page, and a lead magnet. These are not final, they let you test. Move from planning to publishing within days so real data starts shaping decisions. Now you expand with channels and measurement. Choose 2 priority channels to focus budget and effort, SEO plus paid ads or email plus social, and map content to the funnel, top, middle, and bottom with clear CTAs. Create repeatable content formats and an editorial calendar so you can scale without losing quality. Implement tracking, UTM parameters, event tracking, and conversion pixels to get reliable baselines. Make iterative improvements every week based on what the data actually shows. Finish by optimizing and scaling while keeping an eye on failure modes. Run a/B tests on headlines, CTA, and landing layouts. Once a winner emerges, scale budgets and expand audience segments carefully. Make sure to rotate creative variants to avoid ad fatigue. If performance stalls, troubleshoot systematically. Verify targeting, audit UX and page speed, and confirm analytics accuracy. If tracking is broken, you're flying blind, fix pixels and events before changing strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.